Hey family. Welcome back to our channel. How are you doing today? I'm Gbadamosi Omolola, and today, we're talking about something huge: how to start investing like a pro, even if all you've got is $100. You'd be surprised by the opportunities you can unlock with just that small amount. No more excuses, we're diving into 3 powerful strategies that will take your investing game to the next level. But before we get started, think about this for a second. $100 may seem small, but in the world of investing, it's like planting a seed that can grow into a money tree. With the right tools and mindset, that small seed can turn into something way bigger than you ever imagined. Exciting, right? And hey, investing is no longer just for the Wall Street pros. Thanks to tech, anyone with a smartphone and $100 can get started. I'm about to show you exactly how. Now here's the real challenge. Can you take that $100 and flip it into something bigger? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to invest like a pro, and trust me, the last strategy is an absolute game changer. You might even walk away feeling like Warren Buffett. Okay, well, close enough. Stay with me till the end, because you won't want to miss out on these secret money moves that even beginners can use to get started right away. And here's the best part: these strategies aren't just easy, they're fun too. Investing doesn't have to be scary, it can be the most exciting journey toward financial freedom you've ever taken. First up, let's talk about micro-investing platforms. This is where it all starts if you've got $100 or even less. Micro-investing apps like Acorns and Stash let you invest small amounts in big assets, making it accessible for everyone. Imagine starting with just $25 in Acorns. This app rounds up your daily purchases and invests the spare change. Every time you buy something, Acorns rounds that up to the next dollar and invests that difference. Those tiny amounts can really add up quickly. What's great about micro-investing apps is that they not only allow you to invest but also provide valuable educational content. They help you learn how to make smarter investment choices. With features like automatic investments and personalized recommendations, these apps are designed to keep you engaged in your financial journey. Plus, many of these apps charge low fees, some as little as $1 a month, so you keep more of your hard-earned cash. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the investing world without feeling overwhelmed. I know what you're thinking: this sounds too easy, right? Well, it is. Stay tuned, because next, we're diving into how you can own a little piece of the world's biggest companies with just $100. Now, let's level up. We're talking ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are basically baskets of stocks, bonds, or other securities that you can invest in with just $100. Instead of buying individual stocks, ETFs allow you to invest in several companies at once. You get to own tiny pieces of companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon, all in one shot. It's diversification at its best. Imagine buying into an ETF like Vanguard S&P 500. This ETF tracks the top 500 companies in the US. With just $100, you're spreading your money across all those companies. Over time, as the S&P 500 index grows, so does your investment. The best part? You don't need to worry about the ups and downs of individual stocks, because ETFs are designed to be a more stable, long-term investment. ETFs are ideal for beginner investors because they're low cost and low maintenance. Most ETFs have super low expense ratios, meaning you're not paying hefty fees to own them. You can get started with ETFs for much less, even if you've only got $100. They're also super liquid, meaning you can easily buy or sell them on the stock exchange. We're just getting warmed up. You're now thinking like a pro, but what if I told you that you could get paid regularly just for owning certain stocks? Yep, that's coming up next. Passive income, anyone? Keep watching. Now, let's talk dividend stocks. These are stocks from companies that pay you just for owning them. When companies make profits, they often share a portion of those profits with their shareholders in the form of dividends. With dividend stocks, not only does the value of the stock itself grow, but you also get regular payments, usually every quarter. Let's say you invest your $100 in a company like Coca-Cola, which has been paying dividends for decades. Every few months, Coca-Cola will deposit a small payment into your account based on how many shares you own. The cool thing is, you can reinvest those dividends back into buying more stocks, creating a snowball effect where your investment grows faster over time. Some other great dividend-paying companies include Johnson & Johnson and Procter & Gamble. These are known as blue-chip stocks, meaning they've been around forever, are financially stable, and consistently pay dividends. Even if you can only afford a few shares, you'll still earn dividends, and as you invest more, those payments will grow. Feeling like a pro yet? Next up, we're going to talk about goal setting, and this is where you'll turn that $100 into a future plan. Okay, now that you know where to invest your $100, the next step is setting your investment goals. This is key to staying on track and motivated. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your investments? Is it saving for retirement? Building an emergency fund? Or maybe you're investing to take that dream vacation? Setting clear goals will help you stay focused and committed to growing wealth. Let's say your goal is to turn your $100 into $1,000 over the next 5 years. You'd start by choosing the right investments, maybe a combination of ETFs and dividend stocks, and then set up automatic contributions so you're consistently adding to your investments. The key is to be patient and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. As your money grows, your confidence will too, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to hitting those goals. Don't forget to revisit your goals regularly. Markets go up and down, and your priorities may shift. Make sure you're adjusting your investment strategy to match where you are in life. Here's a pro tip: create a vision board for your financial goals. Keeping a visual reminder can be a powerful motivator. Now that you've got a clear plan for your money, it's time to make it happen. But hey, before you go, I've got one final challenge for you. Are you ready to level up? Here's your final challenge: take that $100 and make the first move today. Whether it's signing up for a micro-investing platform, buying your first ETF, or grabbing some dividend stocks, don't wait. Your future self will thank you. Remember, investing isn't just for the rich, it's for everyone, and you're already on your way. And here's a little tip: start small and celebrate each milestone along the way. Every time you make a contribution or watch your investments grow, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. You're building a habit that will pay off in the long run. And don't forget to keep learning. There are tons of resources out there: books, podcasts, and online courses that can help you sharpen your skills and knowledge about investing. Now, I want you to picture your financial future. Imagine how good it will feel to watch your money grow, giving you more freedom to pursue your dreams. Think about that vacation you've always wanted, or the peace of mind that comes with having a solid emergency fund. Investing today can help you achieve those goals tomorrow. It's all about planting the seeds now to reap the rewards later. So, get excited, because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You've got this, and I can't wait to see where your financial journey takes you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to BOOP that like button if you found value in this video. Hit subscribe and join our community. We're here every week, covering everything from investing to personal finance challenges, so you don't want to miss out. And of course, drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover specific topics in future videos. I'm all ears. Let's build that financial future together.